फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड एज यू गाइस कैन सी माय नेल्स आर ऑल कट ऑफ, लाइक these are very embarrassing, but yeah, whatever. But I decided to grow them all at once so they will look very uniform like they used to before, and that's the nail update. So I want them to grow very uniformly, so that's why I cutted off all my nails. So it will take a month or two to go back to where I was before. So fantastics, as you guys can see by the thumbnail, today also in this Sunday special we always make slime. So yeah, we are going to make super jiggly orange juice or orange marmalade slime, which is like this 12th one in my fantastic projects video. If you guys haven't checked my fantastic projects video, I will give in the I button so you guys can check out. If you guys know any of the slime recipes from that video, then let me know. So now I have found the super watery jigglyish orange slime. So yeah, let me make it for you guys, and I will make it with only Indian ingredients which are super affordable and which are all linked in the description in my fantastic shop. So you guys can see here, Fantastic Farhana shop. You guys can purchase anything from that shop, and that will help this channel very much. So yeah guys, that's all, and make sure you like this video. And yeah, now let's start making our super jiggly orange marmalade slime. So yeah, let's see. So for this one you guys will need a very big bowl. So because we are making it jiggly, so we need to add a lot of water as well. So I am taking this big bowl. And now the clear glue part. अगर आपके पास clear glue है, then you guys can use clear glue, but most of my fantastics don't have clear glues. So I am going to make it with gum, with this Fevi gum. So I am going to pour like half of this bottle. So yeah, that's the measurements, and you guys can change the measurements as you guys like. So yeah, that's it, and let me pour some glue in here now. So you guys can see almost half of the bottle. So fantastics, now it's the interesting part. Now we are going to add color. Since that slime was also orange, so I am going to add this orange color. So yeah, let's add. This much. This looks amazing. Oh my god. So guys, now the color is fully mixed in. So now we are going to add water in it, and that will make it super jiggly slime, like super watery and jiggly slime. So yeah, let's add water. And for this much slime we need to add water until like here. So yeah, that's the measurement. So let's add water. So now let's add this much, and now we need to mix it super nicely. So everything can come together. Oh my god, this looks super nice right now as well. Oh my god, these sounds are super nice. Now, as you guys can see, everything is well mixed in, and now we are going to add our contact lens solution. So I'm not using Borax in this, I'm using my DIY contact lens solution, and this can make slime with alone, like we don't need to add baking soda in it. So yeah, that's that. And if you guys want to know how I made this, so this will also be here on the I button. So yeah, let me just mix it once again अच्छे से, and then we will start activating this. And the activation process will be fast forwarded because I don't really want to make this video 20 minutes long, so you guys will see how I activate this. So yeah, let's add the activator now. Before adding, you should always shake your activator. So I am adding the activator like this because spray करने से बहुत ज़्यादा time लगेगा, and we need to add like a little bit just like this. So yeah, let's add. Like this is like activating instantly, as you guys can see. So yeah, let's just keep mixing this. So as you guys can see, it is fully activated, and this thing is just super jiggly. Oh my god, guys, as you guys can see, it is almost the same consistency. And yeah, this is a slime. Like this is a slime. This even makes poking sounds. I didn't expect that, to be honest, but as you guys can see, this is done almost. Yeah, this is done. So as you guys can see, this is our slime, and yeah guys, that's all. And this is the slime. This is so nice. As you guys can see, it is super jiggly, and this does not stick as well. And this is just amazing, and overall an amazing slime. So let me know in the comments if you guys really like today's video, and let me know what is the different kinds of slime you guys want me to make next time. If you guys have watched this video till here, then please comment down this emoji, and I will know that you have watched till here. And yeah guys, that's all. I am super impressed with this slime, and this slime is like amazing, and I just can't wait for it to get cleared, and that will look super nice. You guys can also message me on my Instagram if you guys want to talk to me. I am super active on Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram as well, Farhana Nusrat and Fantastic Farhana. And yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.